If you use Lastpass or OnePass or some other third-party app to store your passwords for websites, you can have those auto-filled on your iPhone. I didn't know this until recently. I used to always go into Lastpass app and copy and paste the passwords over, and I didn't really understand why it wasn't autofilling. Because whenever I store the passwords in the Apple app, it autofills. And I figured that's just how it was. Apple wanted to give priority to its own stuff. But it turns out there's a setting for Lastpass. In the Settings app, scroll down on the main settings page to General, scroll down on the General tab to Autofill and Passwords. Lastpass has its own entry if you have it installed. If you don't have it installed, it won't be here. But if you do have it installed, it has its own entry here. Activate it. It needs your Face ID. And then you say continue to Lastpass, Face ID again. And now in that same page on the Settings app, Lastpass is now turned on and it will autofill from your Lastpass passwords, which sure has made my life a whole lot easier, and hopefully it's going to make your life a whole lot easier when you turn that on. And if you get value from my videos, consider joining the membership for this channel. There's a button right down below. It's called Join. Click on that and you'll see what the memberships are all about and what they provide for you. And if you want to sign up for one of those memberships, that's awesome. And I really appreciate it because it helps me keep making these videos for free on YouTube. And next, you probably want to find out if someone is tracking your phone or if Apple is tracking your phone. This video is going to help you find all the places that Apple uses to track stuff. And you can turn them on and off depending what your desires are. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe and let me know, and I'll see you on this one.